Imagine sending a text message without touching your phone. No typing, no voice command, no screen. You simply think about the message and it appears instantly. Now imagine playing a video game using only your brain, or controlling a computer cursor without moving your hands at all. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but a company called Neuralink is trying to make this technology real. Neuralink is a brain-computer interface company founded by Elon Musk in 2016. Its mission is bold and ambitious: to connect the human brain directly to computers. To understand how this works, we first need to understand how the brain communicates. Your brain contains around 86 billion neurons. These neurons constantly send electrical signals to each other. Every thought you have, every movement you make, and every memory you recall happens because of these tiny electrical signals moving through your brain.
When you decide to move your hand, your brain sends a signal down your spinal cord to your muscles. Neuralink's technology attempts to read those signals directly from the brain. The device itself is extremely small. It's about the size of a coin and is implanted inside the skull. Tiny wires extend from the chip into the brain. These wires are incredibly thin, even thinner than a human hair. Their job is to detect neural signals from nearby neurons. When you think about moving a cursor, typing a word, or clicking a button, the chip detects those brain signals and sends them to a computer. Software then interprets those signals and turns them into commands. In other words, your thoughts become the controller. And this isn't just a futuristic concept. Neuralink has already begun human trials. In one demonstration, a patient who was paralyzed was able to control a computer cursor using only brain signals.
Imagine controlling virtual reality environments with your thoughts alone. Or imagine communicating with someone without speaking, sending thoughts directly from one mind to another. Some researchers even believe technologies like Neuralink could eventually allow humans to merge with artificial intelligence. In a world where AI is becoming more powerful every year, brain-computer interfaces might allow humans to keep up with machines rather than be replaced by them. Of course, with technology this powerful comes serious questions. If a device can read signals from your brain, who owns that information? Could brain implants ever be hacked? Could companies or governments access neural data? And if this technology becomes expensive, will only wealthy people be able to afford it? These ethical concerns are part of the reason scientists and regulators are approaching the development of brain-computer interfaces very carefully. Throughout history, every revolutionary technology has brought both incredible progress and serious challenges. Electricity changed how we live. The internet connected the entire world. Artificial intelligence is now transforming entire industries. Neuralink could represent the next step in that technological evolution. For the first time in human history, we may be approaching a future where the boundary between humans and machines becomes less clear. We have upgraded almost everything around us: our phones, our computers, our cars, even our homes. But the human brain itself has remained largely unchanged for thousands of years. Neuralink may be the first step toward upgrading the brain. Whether that future becomes exciting, terrifying, or a mix of both will depend on how the technology is developed and how society chooses to use it. But one thing is certain: the idea of connecting the human brain directly to computers is no longer science fiction. It is already being built. And the future it creates may completely change what it means to be human. So here's the final question. If brain-computer interfaces become safe, reliable, and widely available, would you install a chip in your brain, or would you choose to keep your mind completely human? Because the next revolution in technology might not just be around us. One day, it might actually be inside us. If you're fascinated by the future of technology, make sure to subscribe to Storm Tech for more videos like this, because the future isn't coming, it's already being built.